Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm adding blood Parrot Cichlids into what I call my monster tank. So it's currently the largest tank that I own. So this is the Juwel Rio 450, which is 450 litres and is the largest tank in the Rio range. This is a beautiful species of fish. They're one of my favourites. I had one before and I absolutely loved him. He was the star of the show in the tank, and I hope that these guys really grow and blossom into themselves. They are a beautiful fish to own and to watch. They're very confident, they're very cheeky. I absolutely love these guys. I've already got names for these guys, so we've got Orange, Clementine, Tangerine and Satsuma, which I thought was quite fitting considering they're blood orange parrot cichlids. I acclimated these guys in their bags for around 30 minutes. There's 2 in each bag just to make sure they don't fight or anything inside the bag or hurt each other in transport. So after that I let them go, and they've been in the tank for a few weeks now. I've been keeping an eye on them. They're all doing really well. They're starting to come out a bit more, as at first they found that they could hide under the log for quite a long time, but every time I feed them they do come out and eat their pellets. Currently I'm feeding them the hikari cichlid pellets. They absolutely love those, and they're good for red or orange fish because it helps bring out the colour. I hope you enjoyed the footage, and I will catch you guys later. thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Again, I absolutely love these fish, and there will be more to come, so please stay tuned and like and subscribe for more. Thank you, bye!